Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 S550 4MATIC. This one's iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 429 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you the sports interior and exterior look. 19-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. S550 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Power liftgate. Coming alongside, we have a burl walnut wood trim, memory seats, heated and cooled seats, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, steering wheel controls. This S550 has 50,381 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550, check out feldmanimports.com.